Hi, my name's Rachel and I'm a civil engineer. Civil engineering is responsible for the design, construction and maintenance of all aspects of the built environment. Roads, bridges, dams, buildings and railways are all the works of civil engineers. I studied general engineering at university, so for the first 2 years I covered civil, structural, material science, mechanical, electrical, information and general mathematical principles underpinning all engineering. In the first couple of years we did some really exciting hands-on coursework projects. So in my first 2 weeks of university we did a Lego Mindstorms project, and with my partner I made a Lego domino layer. So we had to build the robot from scratch and then program it to lay the dominoes in a straight line and in a circle as well. In my second year, we did another robot-based project. We were given a brief where we had to create a small robot that could autonomize tomato picking. It had to sort the tomatoes based on size and colour after it had picked them and deliver different sizes to different locations. Moving into my third and fourth year at university, I decided to specialise in civil and structural engineering, so looking at how to design and build using concrete, steel, timber, how the earth behaves underneath, because foundations are a very important part of any structure. As part of this specialism, in my third year, I took part in a hands-on project on a small construction site, a little teaching construction site really. We were given a design for a small bridge that was 1 metre off the ground and 10 metre span, and we had to decide how to go about building it, and then we went to the site for a week and we had to carry it out. Since I graduated in 2019, I joined a construction company called Graham Construction. My role involves managing the construction works, making sure that everything's being done in the way that it should, and giving guidance to the workers on site. I have drawings of all aspects of the design and I have to communicate these to the workers. My favourite part of working on site is seeing a design right from the beginning through to a final product. So when I arrived on site of my current project in Swansea in August, we had a sand dune, and that was all that the site was. So we had to create a suitable work area before we could even start to build the structure. We're building a replacement pier to a jetty that already exists in Swansea but has been falling down over the last few years. So now we're building a wall from metal sheet piles that interlock with each other. We have a wall at the front and a wall at the back, and then we put steel ties in between the two, put lots of stone in the middle, and then finish it off with some fences. If you're interested in trying out engineering before you commit to a university course in it, there are lots of organisations that run summer courses, such as the Small Peas Trust and Head Start.